The topic today is implementation, reaction, justice, and measures. So, now we already know that the recommendation of Mandal commissions were implemented through a notification of 13th August 1990. So, we all know that there were two commissions. First was the Kelkar Commission, and the second one was the Mandal Commission, which was appointed to look into reservation of seats for the people who belong to scheduled caste, scheduled tribe, OBC. Okay, and they gave recommendations, they gave suggestions, and now it was the time for the government of India to apply those recommendations, to those suggestions, those measures into the society. Okay, and finally that thing happened on 13th August 1990 by the then government of India. By the then government of India means ki which party which was ruling in the country at that point of time, that party gave the order that now the recommendation, the suggestions which are given by the Mandal Commission should be applied to the society. Though this notification, a provision was made for 27% reservation for other backward classes in chartered posts and services of the government of India. So now in this recommendation there was a clause which said ki 27% of seats should be reserved for OBC in chartered post meaning your account posts, your CA post, and all those posts. 27% seats should be for OBC, and similarly 27% seats also should be reserved for those people who are applying for government exam, that are your public service exams, for like you have your GPSC, okay, you have your police service examination, etc. So now what happened is, what does this 27% reservation of seats mean? Okay, for example, jare you give an exam, okay, which is your government exam, the cutoff for general category means people who do not fall into OBC, who do not fall into ST, who do not fall into SC, their percentage for getting selected is higher, while the people who belong to scheduled caste, scheduled tribe, OBC, the percentage required for their selection is less. Okay, that means that let us say I got 60% and the cutoff is 70% for general category, then I will not get the job. But let us say in my place there is a person who is an OBC and this person also scored 60%, but for them the cutoff is 50%, that means this person will get selected for the job. Okay, so that is what reservation of seats mean, okay, in the government exams. This provision of reservation was protested on a large scale and number of writ petitions were filed against it. Meaning this clause of reservation of seats, lot of people protested saying that it is unjust, it is not fair, there should be equality, you can't do this, you can't do that, and there was a petition filed. What is a petition? For example, if I have any problem with a decision a government has made, I can write an application or I can file a petition to the court. Okay, petition means like an application, or I can tell the Supreme Court or High Court to look into the matter and where I feel that it is wrong. Okay, so like this you can challenge the government. Okay, so lot of petitions were filed, lot of applications were filed by the people saying that this clause of reservation of seats is wrong. The Honorable Supreme Court gave its verdict on 16th November 1992. This verdict had a condition that from among the backward castes, those persons who are socially developed should not be given the benefit of reservation. So, the Supreme Court, what verdict they came out was in the year 1992, and they said ki, let us say ki let us consider Kshatriyas to be OBC. Okay, let us say that Kshatriyas were classified as OBC, but let us see ki there is a family who is very socially developed, educationally developed, economically developed, and they do not require this reservation quota, or they do not require this reservation, then exclude those people away. Okay, only give this reservation reservation quota to those people who really require it. Let us say कि there is a caste or there is a community who is developed, okay, or there is a family who is very developed, though they fall into OBC, but you feel they are developed socially or in the society their development is very well, they are educated, they do not require such quota, then do not give them the quota of reservation. In addition, the Supreme Court instructed the Government of India and all the state government to perform a permanent mechanism to carry out necessary amendments in the list of other backward classes from the perspective of complaints made by the people. So what did they tell? What did they tell is that those people, okay, let us say ki state government and the other governments which were there in the other states, the Supreme Court gave them the order that look into the list of OBC that is created, and if you feel that a particular caste or a particular class is not needed to be in this OBC, do not give them the reservation quota. Okay, let us say Kshatriyas, they might be underdeveloped community in Gujarat, but they might not be underdeveloped community in Rajasthan, right? So in Gujarat, don't give them reservation, do not give them the status of OBC, but in Rajasthan, if you feel that their status is very low, they are not socially developed, they are not economically, educationally developed, then give them the quota, then give them the reservation. So it was upon the state government, okay. The order which was given was by the Supreme Court, okay. Following this verdict, National Commission was formed in 1993 for backward classes. Occasionally, this commission is formed. In 1990, the Government of India appointed a committee of experts which was given the responsibility of identifying developed persons from among the other backward classes so that they can be excluded from having the benefit of reservation meant for the other backward classes, and the needy ones should not be deprived of these benefits. So now what happened is that there was a commission, National Commission, which was formed in 1993, and this commission keeps on forming again and again, okay, to look into the matters of other backward classes. And in 1993, there was a committee which was formed, okay, and this committee, what was the duty of this committee? That they had to identify those families or those people who do not, or let us say those class or caste, कि भाई they are developed so much, they have progressed so much in the society, they don't need that tag of reservation, they do not need that tag of OBC, then remove that tag away, then take that tag away from them, okay. So each committee was formed in every state, and they had to look into it कि भाई you know that the policy of reservation which is there goes to the right people, okay, goes to the people who really need it, and it's not taken away by those people who do not require it, okay. And this was done in order to establish equality, justice, and so that nobody feels that you know our right is taken away or you know our efforts have been taken away.